you lick the line. Go ahead, girl.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to get started. Welcome, 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 welcome. We're about to get started. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. We're less than a minute to get started with today's overview. Welcome, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it started. Welcome, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our Saturday morning overview. My name is Benjamin McCrae here in Charlotte, North Carolina. I have the honor and privilege to bring some life-changing information to each and every one of you. We're going to have a powerful conversation today. So if you're a guest, I want to certainly say welcome to each and every one of you. I want to encourage you to send a quick message to whoever invited you. Let them know, hey, I am present. I am here. Thank you. Thank you. I want you to thank them in advance because I truly believe that you are in the right place at the right time. Why do I say that? Because we're being very selective in the individuals that we introduce this information to. We're looking for folks who are looking. We're looking for folks who are truly sick and tired of being sick and tired, folks who are ready to make change in their family's financial legacy, break generational curses. We're looking for folks who say, man, I'm tired of paying rent. I want to become a homeowner. And if that's you, that's probably why the person invited you onto this presentation. So I want you to certainly thank them because most people don't get the invite to the table, whether it's this opportunity or other opportunities. Many people miss out on opportunities simply because they didn't get the invitation. So one thing that I will share with you is you've been blessed to come to the table. Understand that. And then my job is just to give you all the facts about an amazing movement that is changing people's lives. And at the end of this overview, your job is simply to make a decision. I'm in or I'm out. No pressure whatsoever. See, that's one of the things I love about what we have here with MWR Financial is I don't have to sell you. See, you don't have to sell a person on making more money. You don't have to sell a person on putting themselves in a position to lower their taxes, lower their debt, lower their bills, increase their cash flow, increase their credit score. That's nothing to sell. So my job is pretty easy. So I'm going to jump into this information. I'm going to slow it down because it's a Saturday. We're chill on a Saturday. There's no urgency to get anywhere in most cases. So with your permission, I would really like to have more of a conversation with you instead of a presentation. So take this moment right now to really reach out to everybody you know who you think will benefit from this information, so that we can certainly empower them with information. And with information comes power. So now you can make a decision, an educated decision. See, that's what we do. Let me just let the cat out the bag. Our job description is simply to expose people to information. And then afterwards, we collect educated yeses and nos. Either way, whether it's a yes, let's go, or no, I'm not interested, we've done our job, you've been informed, you made an educated decision. So for those of you who are guests, I say thank you for at least being open to the information because a parachute never works if it's not open. So you at least have an open mind, all right? So let's jump into this, guys. The name of the company is MWR Financial. It is the ultimate cash flow company, guys. Understand this, and this is why I'm so excited about what we have here because, cash flow is everything. Understand this. Most individuals right now, here we are, the 15th of the month, people still haven't paid their monthly bills. Some people right now, as we speak, still haven't paid their mortgage. haven't paid their utilities. They're pushing it off till next week, next month, or whatever it may be. According to statistics, I think they said like 60% of car payments are 90 days behind. And that's simply a cash flow problem. Understand this. That's simply a cash flow problem. And the great thing is with MWR Financial, we have the ultimate cash flow company. We come with the solution to the problem. And you have the ability, ladies and gentlemen, to take advantage of the solution by leveraging the system and the experts that we make available to you. My computer is jumping around doing some weird things. Hold for 1 second, guys. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. All right, so let's jump into this, guys. So we have the complete cash flow system here with MWR Financial. We're going to show you how to create cash flow, increase cash flow, and multiply your cash flow. What do you mean by creating cash flow? Understand this. You can make more money by having a part-time job. You can make more money by working overtime at your current job, or you could build a part-time business. And the best way to offset inflation and a rising cost of income is, one, make more money, but the best way to do that is to start a part-time business. You don't want to work overtime at your job. You don't want to work a part-time job at Walmart bagging groceries or at a security booth or whatever people do these days for part-time work. We're going to show you how to build a part-time business that's going to bring you a passive residual income, and that part-time income will eventually become full-time income, which gives you the option, if you choose to fire your boss so you can get more time to pursue your passion, your dreams, your goals that God brought you on the earth to pursue. Not only that, we're going to show you how to increase your cash flow, because it's not what you make, but it's what you keep. See, a lot of people are making money. Folks got paid yesterday, broke today, because they have leaks in their bucket, their financial bucket. I need you to visualize this. You're making money, it's going into a financial bucket, but as it's going into that financial bucket, you have cracks in there. You have leaks called overpaying on taxes, bad credit, bad debt. And as you're making money, it's just simply leaking out of the bucket where you're just pouring money in. You turn the spigot up even higher, working extra hours or whatever. It's just pouring in and coming back out, hustling backwards. And the reason for that is because of those financial leaks. See, what MWR Financial does in helping you to increase your cash flow, we assign you with wealth experts, financial experts to clog those leaks. We clog the cracks. And then with doing that, my tongue is not catching up to my brain. When we do that, now as you make more money, you keep the money you're making. Now you have that overflow. And it's in the overflow where you can save more, invest more, and bless more, ladies and gentlemen. And that's what it's all about, the overflow. But now that you have the overflow, and now that you have created more cash flow, what do you do with it? See, most people don't know what to do with money, so they just spend it. We're in condition to just make it, spend it. You ever heard the terminology, burn a hole in my pocket? That's a broke mindset. We want to crush that mindset. So what we assign you with is wealth experts, giving you access to wealth systems where you now have the ability to multiply your income. We take all that discretionary income that MWR Financial helps you to create by being a business owner, by clogging those financial leaks. Now you have a pile of money waiting for you to put it to work. And now we assign you with experts who's going to show you how to multiply your income. Man, if that introduction doesn't excite you guys, man, I don't know what's going to excite you. So let's jump into it. Let's talk about creating cash flow. Think about this. You have the ability to create more money by becoming a boss. I want you to write down, I am a boss. I am an entrepreneur. Most individuals can become business owners, and I encourage you to do so in this volatile environment, this uncertainty of this environment, of this financial world we live in. this capitalist society, you must have a business. Understand this, guys. I heard someone say, and I grabbed it and made it mine, it's financially irresponsible not to have a home-based business. So we're going to show you how MWR Financial is the #1 home-based business because we bring true value to the marketplace. We solve real problems that millions of people have, and that's making more money, keeping more money. That's what we do. We help people to make more money, keep more money. And who doesn't want to make more money and keep more money? Whether you're rich or whether you're poor, we have a solution for each and every one of you. So here's the thing. All we do is share. Just like someone invited you onto this presentation, you're not talking, you're not presenting, you just invited. And then I'm doing all the talking and someone's going to get the benefits from my conversation. That's exactly what you'll be able to do. Whereas once a person says, I like it, I see it, you're going to get paid very well for that. We get paid 7 different ways. Let me explain that. We get paid when you share this membership with someone where they say, I need those financial experts. I see the value in a service having the same type of wealth, financial experts as the rich. I want to get that membership. You're going to get paid $40 for every member you enroll. And there's no limit to that. And then as you build your book of business, understand what I said. Listen to the language I'm speaking, because this is a conversation of the wealthy. A book of business. You own that book of business as you build that customer base, okay? Once you get 10 customers on the books, you now open up your residual monthly income. 10% of every membership that remains on the books. Residual income. Conversations of the wealthy. And once you understand residual income, ladies and gentlemen, you run through a wall to get it. That's money that chases after you instead of you chasing after money. That's that Michael Jackson, that Elvis Presley money. Still making money when they're gone. And that's what we show you how to do here with this amazing opportunity. But along with that, those are the first 2 ways we get paid. The third way we get paid is we have the ability to leverage our efforts by getting membership getters, bringing on partners all over the country, nationwide, no territorial restrictions whatsoever. You can have a nationwide business distribution. And here's what's so powerful about it. You don't have to pay for the expansion of that distribution. Ultimate leverage. See, leverage is another language or conversation of the wealthy. Residual income and leverage income. When you have that in your portfolio, you're unstoppable. Wealth is inevitable. Every time you bring on a new distribution partner in this business, you're going to get $50 for every partner who joins the business. Huge. But not only that, we want to help those partners jumpstart their business, their franchise, their agency, whatever you want to call it. So we help them move through the ranks rapidly and get them paid and promoted quickly. So now they have the ability to get what is called a momentum bonus. So when a brand new person comes on board and we help them to get their first 3 new partners to join, help them to leverage their business, the company gives them an additional $150, and then we help those individuals get 3 individuals to come on board. The company releases another $450, and then we do that one more time, 3 times, helping individuals get 3. Just follow along with me. Just a total of 36 people. You just got 3. That's another $900, so you get anywhere from $150 to $1,500 in what is called a momentum bonus. Guys, success loves speed. We have folks getting that done in their first 3 weeks, 30 days. The company gives you 90, but we want to move quickly. Now, because you've done that, you now put yourself in a position as a 3-star executive director. What that simply means is you have a team of 36 people. Now you have the ability to earn anywhere from $30 to $150 in coded bonuses through your organization down through infinity. If you understand this industry, that should have made you pull over and pay attention. Understand this. Guys, I've watched and seen individuals who are mentors of mine earn millions and millions of dollars with coded bonuses in their organization, in their compensation plan. And they made millions of dollars with codes of $5, $10. We're talking about $30 to $150 in coded bonus. Let me explain what that means. When you first came in and you bring on a partner, you make $50. But now that you're a 3-star executive, you get an additional $30. So now you make $80 for every person you bring on board. Okay, we're having a conversation. I'm taking my time. I want you to get this. You get $80 for every person you bring on board. And then as you help those individuals come on board, bring on their partners, you're going to get $30, $30, $30, $30. As you advance to the next level, it goes from $30. Now you're making $40, $50, all the way up to $150. So you can literally make anywhere from $50 to $200 when you bring on a new business partner here inside of MWR Financial. And that's down through infinity. There's no breakaways here in this amazing opportunity, guys. There's companies that are out there where, there's folks that stop you from growing and advancing and promoting because they don't want you to cut off their money. There is no cutoffs in MWR Financial. You truly want to help people win inside this opportunity, which is why so many individuals, when they see this opportunity, they jump on board because they understand it. We also have what is called weekly performance bonuses. This is our 6th way of getting paid. With our weekly performance bonus, simply put, as you help new people come on, once you become a 2-star and above, that's 12 people is a 2-star. As you're bringing on new partners, as you bring on 6 partners within a time frame of Monday through Sunday midnight, and in your back office, you'll see that you have 3 new partners, 4 new partners, 5 new partners. You bring on 6 partners in that time frame, and it literally has a clock calculating 2 more hours, 2 days and 3 hours and 22 minutes and 4 seconds. You bring on 6 partners outside of another 2-star executive leg, you're going to get a $300 performance bonus dropped into your bank account. And you can multiply that. If you bring on 12 people, that's $600. You bring on 18 people, that's $900, which is absolutely a goal that we should all have as we start building this thing up and creating momentum. Now, the 7th way is a game changer. We have what we call a guaranteed residual income. Listen to the words I just said. Guaranteed and residual income usually don't come inside of a sales organization. Put it that way. With our company, MWR Financial, we have a guaranteed $5 a day, $15,000 a day. $5 a day to $15,000 a day. Ladies and gentlemen, think about what I just said. You can earn up to $15,000 a day, $450,000 a month, $5.4 million a year. We're talking athlete money, ladies and gentlemen, as my good friend Eric Wilner says. Guys, think about this. You can earn that kind of money without bumping your head up against one another, playing football or jumping up, busting your Achilles tendons, whatever it is they call it. You don't have to go to school and get major degrees and be in debt. All you have to do is plug into a system and allow us to help you to grow your business. It's not a get-rich-quick company. Everybody starts at $5 a day and then grow themselves down to $15,000 a day. You have the ability to earn that kind of money. But let's take you to $20 a day. How do you get to $20 a day, $600 a month? First, you get your first 3 partners to join, plus 1 outside membership. That brings you $5 a day, $150 a month. Remember that, because that pays for your business, your monthly services. Your business is in profit mode. And then you just duplicate that again. Help your 3 to bring on 3 partners. You have 12 people on your team making $20 a day. $600 a month, $7,300. You're in profit mode with just 12 people on your team. You bought on 3. Ladies and gentlemen, that's major. I like to dig in here because $600, as I talk to people all over the country and I'm talking to individuals and I ask the question, what would you need to make on a part-time basis to make this business worth your while? How much money would you need to make? They usually say an extra $400 to $600 or $1,000 a month. People think tens of thousands of dollars. No, an extra $600 will change people's lives. But then going to 3-star where you're making $50 a day, $1,500 a month, that's $18,000 extra a year added to your bottom line with just 36 people on your team. An extra $1,500 coming into your household, that changes. Jim Rohn, which is one of my mentors, he said an extra $1,000 part-time can change everything in most people's lives. You could change the car you drive, the clothes you wear, the amount of vacations you go on. You could change the food that you eat, go from generic food to organic food, an extra $1,500 a month. You don't have to worry about or argue about yelling at the cash register because eggs went up. That extra money helps you to withstand and make it through the rising cost of living. Guys, we can help people to get that done. And as you help more and more people get to $20 a day, $50 a day, and that's where we focus at, you'll eventually grow to $100 to $300 a day. Now you're a 6-figure earner making $9,000 a month, $109,000 a year, and we just keep growing and multiplying and duplicating. You'll eventually get to $1,000 a day, and then you'll eventually get to that, $15,000 a day. It's a process. If it took you 10 years, well, let's say if it took you 3 to 5 years to get to 1,000, let alone 1,500, 15,000 a day, sorry, would it be worth it? I really, really want you to think about this. Let's have this conversation, guys, because we're in a society where people want things in microwave. Let's get it now. I want to get rich now. And that's why a lot of people lost a lot of money. But if you plug into a system, because it's not about get rich quick, it's get rich and stay rich and then go and become wealthy. Make wealth real. We have a business model here where if you simply plug into a system, if it took you 3 years, if it took you 5 years, if it took you 10 years to get to a position where you're making $15,000 a day, $5.4 million a year, a business that's willable, residual, that can take care of your family's generation after generation, would it be worth it? At your job or what you're currently doing right now, if you gave your all for the next 10 years, what is the likelihood of you getting to $15,000 a day? I mean, really, I need you to be real with me. A guaranteed income. Now, this is just our guaranteed income, not counting, that's just $15,000 a day, not counting the multiple $30, $50, $150, not counting the extra $300 and all that other bonus after bonus after bonus I showed you. This is our base pay. Man, if you get it, you get it. You'll be sending a message to whoever invited you right now saying, man, I don't know what you guys are doing, but I'm in. If this is your compensation plan, I'm in. But it's not just driven on a comp plan, guys. What's your number here? I want you to take a picture. Where would you be financially free at? Would it be an extra $4,500? Great. We can help you to become a 5-star executive. Would it be 6 figures? Great. We can show you how to get to 2-star regional. Understand that. We're talking about less than 500 people. You're making 6 figures in this business. I built a team of thousands. It was a struggle continue to get 6 figures because every single month we had to continue to reset and rebuild in terms of volume every single month. With this, once you build it, sustain it, solidify it, that money comes in every single month. So you just simply build on top of what you built. If you heard what I said, you will get it. Think about that. So let's talk about our membership. Our membership is absolutely amazing. As I stated in the beginning, we bring true value to the marketplace. People are hurting financially because they have financial leaks in their bucket. They have overpaying on taxes. They have bills that they can't keep up. They're buried in debt, bad credit, and it's just a struggle. These are the things that's taking money out of your pocket. So what we've done is we made it where you don't have to go out here and try to figure this thing out on your own. See, rich people are rich because they pay lots of money to have financial experts who help them navigate and move throughout the financial game. Understand, it's the money game. You don't have to do this alone anymore. MWR Financial has leveled the playing field. Now you're going to have access to financial experts who's going to look at your credit. They're going to adjust it if you're overpaying on your taxes. Pardon me. They're going to adjust your taxes, make the adjustments on your W-4. So if you're a W-2 employee, should I say, you can literally send this document, the W-4, to your payroll department and say, give me back my money as early as your next paycheck. You're going to see an increase in your pay. On average across the nation, we have anywhere from $300 to $600 in instant pay raises taking place throughout our members' experiences. Think about that. More money coming into your house. So I challenge you, and this is where folks miss it. We don't hold checks in our hands anymore. So we don't even look at what came out of our checks anymore, right? People don't look at that. They get direct deposits into their bank. I want you to go wherever you need to go, look at your pay stub, wherever you got to do, and see how much money came out of your pay stub. And here's the thing I need you to understand. Imagine that money going back into your take-home pay. That's what our experts help you to do. It's not what you make, it's what you keep. But along with that, we have bill negotiators who's going to call your bills, all your utilities, your insurance, and they're going to call and negotiate your bills down to its lowest cost. If your cell phone is $100, they take it down to $50. That's money back in your pocket. We're going to eliminate your debt. We have a system with our debt elimination program, whereas, guys, debt is slavery. People work at jobs they hate because they have debt. Imagine being debt-free, owing nobody. We have a system, you put all your debt into our debt elimination program. The algorithms will do what they do to help you to reduce your debt in record time every single month. They'll tell you what to pay. They'll send you a statement. Hey, pay here, pay there. They'll let you know exactly what day you become debt-free. Not only that, but a debt-free millionaire because you follow the system that they set up for you, guys. I mean, imagine owing nobody. So now you've created all that cash flow and now you have no bills. So you got more money to put to work for you. But along with that, as a free part of our membership, we have a credit restoration program. I'm so excited because most people right now are struggling. Their credit is jacked up. And credit is not the problem, it's the symptom of all the problems. See, there's companies out here who does credit repair, but if you don't repair your taxes, if you don't repair your bills, you don't repair your debt, you don't repair your financial mindset, you can fix your credit, but a year from now, 2, 3, 4 years from now, your credit will be destroyed all over again. Understand that. That's just simply putting on a Band-Aid without treating the problem, the symptom, or the problem, going deep into the root and cutting out what is causing your credit to go bad. But what's going to take place in this is because we're improving your credit, now you increase your buying power. One great thing we're excited about is we have our keys to home ownership. Guys, we're building wealth. And one of the key components in building wealth is home ownership. Guys, one of the things with that is when you're trying to become a homeowner, many people are knocked out of the equation because their credit is jacked up. So they don't even come to the table. So what we do is we have a partnership with an amazing organization who said, listen, don't worry about your credit. What is your rental history? What is your cash flow? What is your down payment? Let's set up an appointment, look at your current situation, and then we can show you and decide what type of home you may qualify for. Once they figure that out, they tell you to go find that house, and they'll purchase that house on your behalf. And then you set up an agreement where you get a 36-month lease option, or whichever agreement it is, where you're paying into that house that you just identified, you purchased with the agreement. They purchased it, they're leasing it out to you for 36 months while you improve your finances. Our experts are improving your credit. Our experts is lowering your debt to ratio. Our experts are putting you in a strong financial position so you now can qualify for a traditional loan, whereas at any point from day 1 to day 36 months, whatever that time frame is, I should have calculated that, but you can say, I want to buy my house outright and get those keys while building that equity. Guys, this is amazing. So what we've done, guys, is we put you in a position to create cash flow, increase cash flow. Now you have a pile of money waiting to go to work. Most people don't know how to put their money to work, so we assign you with wealth experts. We show you how to put your money in position, understand this, to multiply. It's not what you make, it's what you keep. And it's not what you keep, it's what you put to work. Money is simply an employee to go out and bring back more money. I love Mr. Wonderful in Shark Tank. He said, my dollars are little soldiers, and I send them out to conquer and bring back more soldiers, more dollars. And that's exactly what we show you how to do, guys, because unfortunately, most individuals, when you get that money, you improve your credit, you improve your cash flow, you get a $1,000 stimulus check from the government, you get your tax refund, you're a thousandaire, and then because of the mindset and the lack of understanding, you go from cash to trash. You take that money that's burning a hole in your pocket and you run to the nearest mall, or you go on, you don't even have to go to the mall anymore. It's dangerous, your cell phone. And you go to Amazon or wherever, and you start buying trash and making the rich richer while you stay poor or struggling in the middle class. We're breaking that financial curse today because we're showing individuals how to go from cash to assets, all right, where we're going to show you how to take your money. Instead of putting it into a bank, we're going to help show you how to put it in your own private bank, which is our diversified cash flow account, our private reserve account. Now we put that money to work in compounding interest, uninterrupted, and eventually taking from there, borrowing from that money or that account where you don't interrupt the growth and you have your money working in 2 different places at the same time. It's liquid, it builds legacy. These are the systems and tools that the wealthy have been leveraging for decades. Now you have access because you're a part of this membership. Having this membership has its privileges, but not only that, we'll show you how to buy land at 20-40% below market value on a path of growth. Did you hear what I said? Rich people, wealthy people have insight and access to this information. Imagine when you see a Walmart prop up in the middle of nowhere. I promise you, they've done their due diligence. That's land banking. They know where the growth of the population is going. They know where the highways are coming. They know where major growth is happening, new hospitals, new schools. So they buy the land dirt cheap and they sit and they wait because they have access to experts to give them that insight. With this membership, you now have that access. We have identified key places in America, and there's only a few. And we've identified one that you can buy that land at 20-40% below market value and sit and wait and watch the value. I think last year was over 30% growth. Huge. And then we show you how to protect your money. Guys, this right here, we hear about trust babies. A lot of people talk about trust, but all trusts aren't equal. We have a full comprehensive trust program that we make available where we could truly protect your money, take you to 0 to 5% taxes, take you where you're owning nothing, controlling everything, and protecting all the wealth that we're building. Guys, there's nothing else to say. If you are a person right now who's looking to make more money, increase your money, protect your money, we have it. We have it. I just showed you how to do it. Now, documentation beats conversation. We have thousands and thousands of members who are raving fans. You can go to our Facebook page, read the stories after stories after stories after stories of how their credit score, they're in the 700, 800 club. You can read the stories and stories and stories of how individuals are first-time homeowners, how people have become debt-free. I mean, documentation beats conversation, where we have multiple top income earners in this company because they help individuals become successful, and they're servant leaders. Our members are making money because this membership puts money in your pocket, average $2,000 depending on your situation. I mean, documentation beats conversation. Because of the membership and the value it brings, our retention rate is up to 60% plus. What does that mean for you? Residual income. When a person gets this membership, use this membership, and get the value from this membership, they keep it, which brings that ongoing monthly residual income. The business and the membership alone offsets the cost and investment to get involved, but hey, we put a cherry on top. I'm slowing this thing down on purpose, but I want to get hyped. I want to have a conversation with you guys because I don't want you to think that this is a hype game. This is real talk. This is about money. We are talking about making wealth real. So please hear the words coming from my mouth, ladies and gentlemen, because this is no game. Now is the time to move with urgency. Understand this. And this company is willing to put their money where their mouth is. They put a money back guarantee. Come on. There is no risk. They stated that if the opportunity and experts and the services can help you to create, increase, and multiply your cash flow within the first 30 days, we'll give you your money back. I mean, where else can you go and get that in a financial space? It doesn't exist. But MWR Financial is willing to do it because they have the receipts. They know if you plug into the system works. The experts work. Understand this. Now, of course, you must plug in and utilize the services. Okay, you can't just sign up and then do nothing. Don't upload your credit report or make an appointment to communicate with the Keys to Home Ownership program and say, hey, this doesn't work. No, your whole job description is to engage the services. Your whole job description is to engage the opportunity. Be a participant. Key phrase, be a participant. And if you participate, we will get you the results you're looking for. Understand that, guys. Now, how much does it cost to get started? Pennies on a dollar, because the average CE&A CPA is $200, $300, $400, $500 an hour. MWR, and most of us have been priced out of the system to be able to get access to wealth experts, financial experts. That's why many people are in a struggle or a bad financial position that they're in. MWR said, listen, we're going to level the playing field. $5 a day, $149.97. $149.97, this covers you and your spouse. See, there's no cost. This is an investment. There's a difference. See, it costs you to buy a pair of shoes. It costs you to go to the movies. But an investment is where you put forth $150, and in that investment, you get back a return. With that $149.97, $5 a day, you have access to a system and experts who's going to help you to lower your taxes. They're going to help you to lower your bills. They're going to help you to eliminate your debt. All these things, raise your credit score, become a homeowner. These are things that put money back in your pocket, a return on the investment. Long term, not one-time hit. You know, we could go out and have a fancy dinner, and easily in this economy with the cost of everything. The other day I went out for my birthday, came up to almost $2-something. I mean, it's crazy. Being a chef, a certified self-appointed chef, I'll leave that alone. But my whole point is $149.97, guys, you'll be able to have access to the best financial services, the best financial experts who will advise you to become successful in your finances, put you in a position to multiply. Now you have the cash flow, the discretionary income to multiply your income. This covers you, your spouse, if you're not married, you and anyone living under your home, that's 18 and older, they're covered under this membership. No setup fees. There's a month-to-month membership. If you refer other people as a member, you refer 3 others, your membership is waived on a month-to-month basis as long as you have 3 active referral members. Now, you're going to refer people anyway. That's what we do. We refer people to good movies, good restaurants, good experiences. So why not become a business partner? Why not become a membership getter? Because that's what we're looking for. We're looking to expand this business nationwide, and we need your help. So you have the ability to become a boss, a business owner. Now, for an extra $100 one time, $249.97 today, and then $149.97 going forward, you open up the daily guarantee, $5,000 to $15,000 a day, all those bonuses. But along with that, the up to 400 potential tax write-offs that you now have the ability to leverage because you're a business owner with a home-based business. So guys, get back with the person who shared this information with you. Let them know, hey, I'm a 2. 2 is a person who says, hey, I need that membership. And you do. You need the membership. It's month to month. Get the services, try the services out. I promise you, you go to work, you're going to keep it because it brings value. Use the services and let the experts help you and stop trying to figure this thing out on your own. And then you have the person who says, hey, man, I'm ready to get started. This right here is a business I've been looking for. I've been looking for a professional opportunity that I don't have to be embarrassed about. I don't have to worry about my friends being mad at me because they couldn't lose weight when they was consuming it, or they broke out in hives because they consumed a product. I don't have to be embarrassed about bringing this to my pastor because it's something weird and crazy. I can talk to people inside of my network about finances easily, because 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. 90% of Americans are buried in debt. This is an easy conversation. It's not a fad. It's going to be here today. It will be here 20, 30, 40, 100 years from now. And you're going to pay me a guaranteed income? Oh, yeah, let's go. But if that's you, you're a 1. Send that message out to whoever invited you. Text them right now, I am a 1. And get signed up into this business. And then tonight, I want to encourage you. First and foremost, I want to welcome you to the MWR Financial Movement. This is a movement. We are committed to breaking generational curses, ladies and gentlemen, and we're looking for the foot soldiers to get out here and help us to spread the word. As a matter of fact, tonight at 8 o'clock, I'm going to be doing a training on how to maximize this compensation plan. We're going to do a training on maximizing the compensation plan and structure and making sure that you build a solid business with longevity. I'm so fired up and excited about that. Make sure you and your team come back this evening at 8 o'clock. No, it's 8:30. I think everything went to 8:30. At 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Same link, zoom.mwrkingdombuilders.com. We'll open it up so that is 8:30, sir?
Yeah.
Thank you. At one point, it was 8 o'clock. Thank you. So, hey, let's do this. Let's open it up. Again, guys, I stretched this thing out a little bit. I slowed it down on purpose because I wanted to have a conversation. So any of you who are guests or anybody who want to, Mr. Parker, Dr. Parker, your line is already open. If you would just share how this opportunity, this is a super Saturday. We have some awesome people on. We got people listening in on social media and our platforms. How did this opportunity change your life, if you don't mind sharing, sir?
Oh, absolutely. Hey, Ben, just to confirm, though, it's 8 p.m. tonight, 8 p.m.
8 o'clock. I thought so. Okay, thank you.
Hey, but as it relates to this opportunity, let's talk about services alone. The services stopped the bleeding, but it was the opportunity to set me free. All right, that really allowed me to leave or walk away from a $65,000 a year job to do this full time. But though I started with those services, man, because as you said, I recognized that I had multiple holes in my buckets, right? And these services helped me patch those holes. As a result of that, I started putting more money away, and that money allowed me to create investment vehicles. And as I began to pay more debt off, I mean, it just positioned me to win. For finally, for the first time in my adult life, I'm ahead of the game. And it feels great. And all I've been doing is just sharing this opportunity with multiple people and sharing it with people and telling my story, what has happened for me. And I've been fortunate enough to find the right people that see it for what it is, the greatest opportunity that exists on planet Earth. And guys, we got a real chance now. There's finally a comprehensive financial platform that's available now to the general public. It's unheard of. I mean, you saw the numbers. A $250 investment puts you in a position to make anywhere from $5 a day to as much as $15,000 a day. I mean, just give some thought to that. First of all, what business do you invest in for $250 in the United States? Most businesses that start in this country, it takes 3 to 5 years before they see profit. You can get into this business today and profit today. That's the beautiful part about what's been created here. So, Ben, once again, outstanding information provided today. Guys, if you're looking for a way out, I say take a hard look at this one. This is the one.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you so very much, Dr. Parker. We have Mr. Banks. Mr. Banks, your line is open, sir. Should be. Let's do that. All right. There you go.
What's going on, Coach McCray and all of our guests and partners? And I want to thank you so much for allowing me to be able to come onto the platform and speak just very quickly. We do have an exciting opportunity to yet make more money, because by the end of tonight, there's going to be a few more rich partners with our double the fun, double the cash opportunity, where when you sponsor someone, you're going to get an additional $50 on top of the $50 that you get when you first sponsor that individual, up until midnight tonight, guys. So you have an opportunity, hours of finalizing up right now. We're so excited about this. The MWR Financial has allowed us to be able to make just a little bit more cash and also be eligible for a cruise coming in January. So how does this work? All you need to do is sponsor 3 people. You're going to get paid your $50, of course, your additional $50. Get a total of 6 people into your organization, qualifies you for 1 boarding pass on that cruise. And all we need to do is help your team get 1 person to executive director level 2, and that will qualify you for a 2nd boarding pass for our cruise in January. Now that is actually through August, before we go on our crusade to Vegas, but you have a chance up until midnight tonight to take advantage of this additional $50 payout when you sponsor someone. I have an actual reboot Zoom and Facebook that's going to be happening at 12 noon, where it's actually going to be hosted by none other than Benjamin McCray and Dr. Parker. So you can listen to it, hear him break down this overview and the double the fun, double the cash opportunity, and just share it on and get your opportunity to get paid, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so very much, Mr. Banks, for plugging in that the promotion, leverage everything that's on the table. We're going to go into more detail about that tonight. As a matter of fact, what I've decided just now as an executive decision, because of the timing, before I do the training tonight, I'm going to do a fast overview tonight so you can invite your guests. And then from that, I'll go into a promotional training on structure and everything of that nature tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so that we can leverage and take advantage of every opportunity that we have. Mrs. Wooten, the line is open.
Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to say the company is amazing. I just said how it's blessed me and my family. How we about to pay off our house this in a couple of months. Our mortgage will be paid up. One of our cars is already paid up. We already set up to get in with the DCA, which is our diversified account. And our credit scores are going up. We're just working on some things here. So if you want to get in on this problem, and let them show you how to plug in. And all you're doing is you're uploading this stuff to them. They have everything. The experts do the work for you. So, and they help you into a home too, also. So it's nothing but amazing. And I can't say, I'm ready to get on that cruise myself. So y'all plug in. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Wooten. You guys are a phenomenal couple. Congratulations on your success. Wow, that's awesome. Thanks for sharing. And let's go out to the West Coast, our West Coast brother and sister, Mr. and Mrs. Ramirez, Mr. Fernando Ramirez, our regional executive. The line is yours, sir.
Thank you very much, Coach Ben. Tremendous private business reception. I do want to welcome one of our guests here today, Mr. Raymond Hilario. I met with him yesterday. We had a phenomenal conversation, and I want to be able to show and express to him to feel certain about his decision in coming along with us. He brings a lot of expertise in the selling and management background. So
awesome.
It was good meeting him and his wife yesterday. We met at Starbucks. We had a tremendous conversation about planning for a financial bright future. So I just want to welcome him. I knew that he heard from the best, our coach.
Awesome. Thank you.
Coach of coaches, Coach Ben. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, welcome to the team, sir. You have great leadership, so you're in good hands with Mr. and Mrs. Ramirez. I mean, they are absolutely phenomenal. Just follow their lead and your success is inevitable. And that's the thing I love about this, guys. You're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. We have all the support, all the systems. You just got to simply follow the yellow brick road. Y'all know what that means. So follow the system and your success is inevitable. Welcome again to the team. Guys, with that being said, I think that's everyone. And this is a super Saturday. Usually these presentations are about 30 minutes, guys, but I said, you know what, on Saturday mornings, I want to slow it down. I want us to have a conversation. I want us to have more feedback from the team. And I think it was a great flow. And then again, to emphasize, tonight at 8 p.m., what I'll do in the beginning is going to be a quick overview. For those who have guests, bring them out. You'll see what I just went over fast. And then I'm going to jump right into our training. The topic tonight is, again, recruiting, building distribution, knowing the numbers, and how to structure your business to maximize the compensation plan, guys. So with that being said, if there's no other comments or questions, let's get back into the day. People are looking for your phone call. People are looking for your text. People are looking for your handshake. God bless everyone. Take charge. Let's go and let's grow.
Great call. Thank you, Mr. Benjamin McCray. Thank you, Coach Ben.
Thank you, Ms. Bartley.